Hi there, I want to introduce you to this tool called notclass, which is quite interesting. So basically you can write any topic and it will try to find any video on YouTube that is pertaining to the topic and will help you learn the lesson from videos and also some assistance from AI. So what's unique about this tool is that apparently this is free, at least maybe free at the moment, because there's no pricing page, there is no sign up or sign in section, and there is this donation button, and apparently the owner of this tool is relying on donation, but I don't think that's going to be sustainable given that AI could be very expensive. But while still free, I do recommend you to just try this tool, and maybe if you like it, you can donate to the owner of the tool. So the URL is notclass.com, and it lets you learn anything from a YouTube video. So let me give you one example here. Let's say I want to learn about what is vibe coding. So it's going to be something like this: vibe coding, how to do it. And then you can click this button that says create learning path, and it's going to create a personalized learning path. It's almost like a course, but it's going to have some YouTube videos, which I think some people prefer to watch content or visual content other than instead of just reading some text. So this is the result. There's going to be this overview, and later you'll see there is going to be a list of YouTube videos related to this topic. Now, the term vibe coding is very new, and probably it wasn't able to find any great info about it. Yeah, you can see that it has nothing to do with vibe coding at all. It's not about coding, but it kind of makes sense at the same time because vibe coding is really almost without any technical know-how. So let me just go back and try something else that's probably AI could find easily on YouTube. Let's try, okay, what is quantum computer? Let me try that. And again, it will create another personalized learning path. So it is free, and hopefully it will stay free for a lot of people. I think they're going to introduce some sort of paid plan, the pro version, with more features and maybe more quota per day. But at the moment, it is completely free. Alright, so you can see about quantum computer, there are some videos that you could explore, and when you click on the video, it will actually jump forward to the section that AI thinks very important. So let me give you one example. Oh, sorry about that. I think I need to mute this side. I don't want to provide any audio. There you go. It's just skipping forward to the section that is related to the topic. And you can scroll down, you can click next and see other things that you could learn. Next again, and yeah, it's finished. Yeah, it's really simple. You know, it's refreshing because we often see AI tools that look very complicated. It's often being safeguarded. Basically, you can only access certain features if you're paying. Otherwise, you cannot use that. But this is completely free, and that's just, well, that's really amazing, I would say. So go ahead, go to this website, notclass.com, and maybe if you have something more, you can donate to the owner, and hopefully we can make this tool free for anyone that wants to learn something using AI and YouTube videos. Anyway, if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video.